were contacted by Olympus Technologies, who had a customer, Schiedel Chimney Systems, who were looking to automate their factory. In essence, they were looking for a palletising solution. Because of the experience we'd had with Olympus, they were very keen to use us as a one-stop shop.
It was a machine tending project, and initially, when we sort of started the dialogue with Schiedel, we thought we were going to have to use 2 robots. But after a discussion with Bosch Rexroth, we managed to come up with a solution that integrated a linear track. Now, there were difficulties with this because it had never been done before, so we actually needed to write some custom in-house software to integrate the Bosch Rexroth track to the universal robot. Fortunately, the support from Rexroth was excellent, and through the combination of the 2 skill sets of our companies, we came up with a solution.
The solution was, we are the drives and controls company. Our expertise and knowledge was something that Olympus Technologies particularly appreciated. We were able to offer our linear module with drives, with controls, with aluminium frame, and this in essence was like manna for Rexroth in terms of we didn't have to speak to anybody else, and the solution was totally ours.
It's a very labour-intensive role, and it takes out the human elements, the fatigue factor, and it increases productivity because there's no human error. The robot doesn't get tired, and the performance is constantly at 100% rate, whereas a human's performance deteriorates over time. The machine was originally running at 61% efficient. It's now up to 72% efficient. We expect to grow, which means we're producing, instead of 62 pieces per hour, we're producing 92 pieces an hour, which means increased productivity, better value per clocked hour, and better planning capabilities.
So our technical director had actually worked with Bosch Rexroth before, and he knew they were a company that offered high quality products, but very importantly for us in this project, high quality levels of support. And as we progressed the project, we found that support was definitely there. We worked with them for countless hours developing the software necessary to integrate the Bosch Rexroth slide with the universal robot.